こんにちは、さとこです。Welcome to Japanese World Academy. Before we start our lesson today, I have an announcement for you guys. The registration for my October courses have just started, and there are going to be two courses. The first course is 6-week Japanese crash course for beginners, and second course is a brand new course. It's writing 6 weeks Hiragana course, and it's gonna be immersive and it's gonna be intense, but gonna have lots of fun. And both courses are weekly based live sessions. So you're going to attend a live session on a Zoom and we can interact. You can ask me questions live and you're gonna meet your classmates and we will have a community page so you can ask questions, you can exchange information with your classmates. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Go to JapaneseWorldAcademy.com to register, okay? I can't wait to see you guys. And let's get the lesson started. So today we're going to learn how to say help in Japanese. It's an important one, right? So this is how we say, 助けて, 助けて. I wrote hiragana here, and Japanese is phonetic, right? One hiragana symbolizes one sound here, okay? 助けて, 助けて, little pronunciation tip. So 助けて, you can think of it as task, like task, and then you're gonna add schedule, 助, 助, and then you're gonna add te, as in 10, number 10's 10. 助けて, 助けて. So in English though, it is like help, right? So it's in an order form, but in Japanese, this is actually not an order form. So this sentence is continued and this is a full sentence. 助けてください. 助けてください. It means help, please. So ください means please. And some people might know お願いします as please, but this case, we're going to use ください. It also means please give me as well, but please, help please. So when you see a verb ending with te, it means their sentence continued. 助けてください. And this is a hard part about Japanese language because there are going to be lots of movement. There are lots of movement in verbs in Japanese, not like in English. Sure, in English, there is past tense, present tense, and some little bit of movement, but a lot more happening in Japanese. So today, I want to introduce you just a little part of the movement of the verb because it's going to be a lot. So first of all, Japanese verb, we always have original way and then the formal way. And, this 助けて, this word came from 助ける. This means to help. That's a verb in an original way. 助ける. And there is a formal way. The formal way is 助けます. And we're going to talk about verb movement, but this one is just a tiny little bit of part of the verb, okay? So if the verb original way in Japanese is ending with ERU, you're going to remove RU from original form, and then you're going to add mas. That would become a formal way, okay? So original way to formal way, ending with ERU. Only the verb ending with ERU. You're going to remove RU, and then you're going to add mas, as in masks, okay? And become 助けます. And I'll give you a couple more examples of the verbs that are ending with ERU, okay? To eat. Original way, we say 食べる. And notice it's ending with ERU, right? And the formal way, remember, we are going to remove RU and then add mas, right? So now, since it's ending with ERU in the original way, we're going to remove this RU and then add mas and then say 食べます、食べます. So this is a formal way. And another example, to give. So this to give is like to give a gift, that to give, okay? Original way, we say あげる、あげる. And notice it's ending with ERU, right? And to make it a formal way, remember, we're just going to remove this RU and then add mas and say あげます、あげます. And all of them, notice there is RU, right? So remember R sound, it becomes L sound in Japanese, right? So 食べる、あげる, okay? So now this one is 助けてください. Remember? So it's like verb, please. And then how come 助ける to help in original way became 助けて when you're adding please? And I'm going to explain that here. So if you want to say verb, please, you're going to, this is only the verbs ending with ERU in original way. Again, this is only ERU ending, okay? So verb, please, if you want to say that, you're going to remove the RU and then you're going to add TE. We pronounce it te, te. So take a look. So 助けてください, right? And the original way was 助ける. And we just removed the RU and then we're going to add te before please. So 助けてください. And in this case, of course, we just remove the ください and it becomes a casual way. But when we say help, when you're needing help, you're not going to say 助けてください. That's a long sentence, right? So we just say 助けて, 助けて. That's how it works, okay? 助けてください. So if you want to add please after the verb, you're going to remove the RU and then add te. And then this is only applying to the verbs ending with ERU with the original way. Okay. Now that was please help, right? 助けてください. Now you know why it becomes 助けてください. And how about if you want to say please eat, you're offering food. And if you want to say, please eat, go ahead. How can I say it? And to eat, the original way, remember, that was 食べる, 食べる. And apply this formula. This verb is ending ERU on our original way. So we're going to remove RU, right? And then going to add te. So that would become 食べて. And then we're going to add please, ください. 食べてください. To make it a casual, you just remove the ください and then say 食べて. Like in English, we say eat, right? In Japanese too, you can say 食べて食べて. You can, do the 食べて times double 食べて. 食べて食べて, it means eat. And then how about to give, if you want to say, please give, like, please give him this, please give. And that was, original way was, あげる, right? And then again, we're going to remove this RU, and then we're going to add te, right? So, あげて, and then ください. あげて, ください. So, 助けてください. Casual way. 助けて, or if you're in an emergency, you just said 助けて. And then please eat was 食べてください, or casual way, remove ください. 食べて, go ahead. And please give it to him, please give it to her, that kind of context. You say あげてください, or casual way, remove ください, and then say あげて. So simply remove ください to be casual. Okay, so today's lesson was how to say help in Japanese. Thank you for watching, guys. どうもありがとうございました. If you still haven't, please subscribe. And if you like, please press the like button. ありがとう. So make sure to go to JapaneseWorldAcademy.com to take a look. And I'm offering free courses as well, free guides and everything. So there are lots of things happening on my website. So go check it out. And I hope to see you guys in my October courses. I'm so looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. じゃあね。バイバイ。